welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we're going to be doing this bob. Now bobs are all year round friendly. You don't have to wait until winter, summer, spring. You can wear it all year round. And this wig is mad affordable. Like, this wig is super duper cheap. I would just buy me a couple, okay? So this wig is from UNice hair. They sent me a 12-inch 4x4 closure bob unit, and I've made it into my own. I've made it to look somewhat like a frontal unit. It's giving length in the part, honey, and she's giving edges like no other. I can't wait to show you guys how exactly I got my hair like this. But before we get into this tutorial, this wig is super duper gorgeous, and the links will be in the description box if you'd like to go ahead and purchase off rip. I would definitely recommend, because she's giving child. She is thin, she's not thick, she's flowy, she's bobbing, and I love this for me. I love me a thin-ish type of bob. It doesn't have to be thick at all. She's easier to cut. She was just so easy to work with, and I love this hair. I love this wig. She's giving frontal for a closure price, and I know you want that. So definitely go ahead and purchase this unit. So without further ado, let me just stop rambling and let's get into this tutorial. Let me just put y'all up on game real quick. So whenever I do this part, like to push it back, like I came up with a new little technique slash method, and I feel like it works for me. So let me just put y'all on game. So I'm gonna just part out my baby hairs. So boom and boom. This edge booster, it is literally a wax stick or hair pomade. I love using this these days. I want to just take it and push it up in like the top, especially a bit in the front here, and the number 14. Then you just want to keep your baby hairs separated and go in with that hot comb. Now that we have everything nice and flat, it's time for me to cut the lace. So I'm gonna just zoom in a bit so you can see what I'm doing. So here I'm just gonna go ahead and cut straight down the middle, and then I'm gonna just try to cut as best as possible in a zigzag motion one side, and once I'm done with one side, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other. Cutting our edges, I already did this side. Now I'm gonna do this side. Really what you want to do is just go ahead and cut in a diagonal motion. And once you're done with cutting, you can begin to do your baby hairs. this is it. This look took me about 30 minutes to do, so you know, it's a really quick, easy, simple hairstyle. It's just a bob, girl. Okay, girl, she's bobbing. I love the thinness of this wig. It just helps the bob to be even more bobbier. I don't even know if that's a thing, but all I know is she's giving. I love it. I hope you love it too. And this wig is from UNice hair, so UNice sent me this 12-inch bob, and you know, I just made it into my own. So if you like this unit on me, do not forget to go ahead and give this video a like. And so far so good. Bobs aren't supposed to shed. If it sheds, the better. Bobs aren't supposed to tangle. If she's tangling, sis, no. UNice hair doesn't do that. And just go get this bob. It's super duper affordable, and I know the girls would love it for the summer because bobs just give edgy, sleek, femme, cute, and that's just what we're trying to exude this summer. So get into it. I hope you liked the video, and that is it. So if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one.